Understanding the source of synthetic opioids helps us better understand and target our resources to help reduce supply in illicit markets. The numbers of synthetic opioid overdose deaths has increased dramatically in the last 4 years. In 2013, there were about 3,000 reported synthetic opioid overdose deaths. In 2017, this has risen by about 10 times to 30,000. As we've seen these numbers rise, one of the key questions is, where are these substances coming from? According to law enforcement reports, both here and in Canada, China is the primary source of most synthetic opioids that we see in illicit markets, both for fentanyl and other analogs. China's been working with the United States to reduce the supply of synthetic opioids in several ways, some of which include increasing enforcement capacity at home to shut down some of these illicit vendors operating in the margins. However, challenges in China still remain. There are misaligned incentives between those who write the rules and those who enforce them, as well as limited enforcement capacity to effectively monitor all of the vendors who supply these substances to illicit markets. Beyond engaging further with Chinese counterparts, some of the things we can start doing right now to reduce this problem is to think about how we limit our access to medication therapies, reviewing regulations, limiting the caps of access to buprenorphine and methadone, as well as expanding access through public and private insurance programs.